Morning, I have these ears, Mummy has these. No. Oh, I just whack you in the face with the ears. We're doing Walt Disney Studios and it's a lot later, it's almost 10:30, but we're going to stay all the way until the fireworks show, which is in Disneyland Park. So we're going to do most of the day at the studios, then we'll probably have time for shopping because there's less rides at the studios depending on how long the rides take.
It should be nice too.
But I guess we can go around shopping whilst we wait for the ride return times because...
As if we ever get out of here.
That's the plus side of having the disability access pass, so that's good. And I'll do an apartment tour tomorrow before we leave.
Do what?
The apartment tour.
You won't have time.
What?
You won't have time.
I will have time. I will.
You won't do that.
I will.
We're literally out the door at 5 AM.
I'm going to be out.
We're not out at 5 AM.
Yeah, we'll miss the train.
Patrain. We'll miss the Patrain, yeah?
Yeah, it's a special train from Paris called Patrain.
Patrain. And I'll film the train journey, or the walk and the train journey to Disneyland Paris from here, which takes 4-minute walk, 7-minute on the train. So we'll just I'll show you that. Who were?
Everybody just
Really? Oh, Sunday feeling. Everyone's obviously really nice.
Well, the road's out.
It's bonjour. B, talk us through your outfit. Where's all the things from?
These shoes, I have to get down to Super with them when we get home because they're broken, but they're from Koi Footwear. Got them on sale. They went from 35 quid to 17 quid. So who says insomnia doesn't help you? Batman socks, which I bought at Home Bargains. It came with a mug. These are swimming trunks, but they double as shorts.
Where are they from?
Sports Direct, I believe. They're from the boys range because I can't find any good swimming trunks. And this is Jasmine Bean. They're one of my favourite artists at the moment. And I got one of their merch and I was like, oh, look how cute it is. It's actually one of the very few things I own that's in pink and I really like it. And then this jacket I got from a charity store. It's actually supposed to be a t-shirt, but it's made out of a really weird fabric, so I wouldn't exactly call that. And then I'm wearing my bag with my Roadman side up, my little Lego brick, Monster High keychain, and a Go Ape, which just says stay attached, which is, you know, my life motto.
Trainers are £25 from, no, £20 from Shoes Only, because I'm a cheap ass.
Good old shoes, eh?
T-shirts was Peter Storm from, not Mountain Wales, what's the other one?
Go outdoors.
Go Outdoors, it was £15. Jeans, I think, were £22 from Tesco's or Asda. Was that?
So it's about 60 quid.
Yeah, the cheap stuff.
What about your sunglasses?
They were £10 from Go Outdoors.
Bag.
Monster, free.
I mean, your Ray-Bans alone make your outfit very expensive. My outfit was
£10.
£5 from eBay, £15 from eBay, but it's new look and feelers, and my mini ears that I'm not wearing are $25. I actually have the cheapest outfit here.
Why are you doing it in dollars?
I mean, to be fair, you're
Because
wearing
it was
a one-piece.
dollars.
Yeah, exactly. You're in a one piece.
My shorts were like £3.
Oh, there was shorts on
You
there.
won't get away with that.
Well, forgive me for not being able to see that.
What?
You literally got a one-piece outfit.
Show my outfit.
Personally, I just kind of want to look like a toned down Monster High character. Not as drastic, but definitely.
No, do it again. Go down. Go down. Let me do the ad. Oh, wait. Go straight into the camera. Make the camera go backwards. Ready? As if we're doing the ad. Go down again. We're still waiting to go.
Well, this is without standstill.
I let you go in.
No, you didn't. There you go. Problem stop. Problem not solved.
We're going to start walking to the train station.
While we wait.
You can catch us up. So this is the apartment block. We're right up on the top floor. And we literally just sort of head this way to get over to the train station, which is a 4-minute walk. The train station is literally just there. there. Here we are. Every time I see one. Disney. Oh, we're going the wrong way. Whoopsie. Bugs Disneyland.
Pour assurer votre sécurité, vos sacs de bagages peuvent être...
Oh look, here's the train. Perfect timing. Woohoo! There we go, and now we're at the exit. And this is the train station. And then Disneyland Paris is there. So it's really easy, and it costs €2.50. I think I said that yesterday. For a one-way ticket. You can't get returns. If you were going to buy 10 tickets, you get 2 for free if you buy 10 in one go. So
walking around, feet aching, headache aching, wanted to push people around and shove them out of my way because they was getting in my way, holding hands and walking into people.
I mean, like, I'm
buying overpriced food and overpriced drinks, all for the sake of supporting the Disney Foundation. God bless America.
there we go. It's not as fun as the. It's not as fun as using magic bands, but hey.
Oh God, that keeps getting.
No, that's some kind of group.
Some people just want.
Oh no, it's Pluto and Goofy. Oh, look at the little lights on the facade.
Yeah.
That's cool. I'm already hungry. I want more food. I want overpriced food. There we go, Avengers Campus. Of course. Well, apart from Crash's Coaster.
Universal Studios, or it's called.
It's not Universal Studios, bloody hell, Neil.
Paris Park,
Walt Disney Studios. Do you want to look at the menu? Look.
What's a buffet?
So they do tiny burgers or massive pretzels.
How much is it?
Per person it's like 30 something.
Buffet or you can eat buffet.
Or you buy one buffet and then you just share it around.
Lol.
Excellent, je vous regarde. Suivez ma rivale, mon ami. Allez-y, en position. Ready? Hey, hey.
Intermission equipment with all the Avengers merch. Need to put my ears on in a minute.
the backpacks are gorgeous.
Do you want to guess how much it is?
Oh, about £100.
It's 80. I can guarantee it.
La tienes en gris, bueno.
80.
No, es diferente. La que
This will be 80 as well.
es más pegadita.
Loungefly is like designer now, kinda. Very, very upper high street. They're very pretty though. It's the concept art of Avengers Campus on like a metal sheet.
So this is 22.
That's nice.
Bad. I don't think it could be quite like it as well. I think I will get one of these. Do you think these will sell out quite quick?
No. The shop is huge. Oh, they have demonstrations.
That's it.
Sí, ¿qué tal es
It's a diner restaurant called what's it called? The Super Diner. Super Diner. So then we're in the outdoor restaurant. This bit in front, I guess, is more for that food truck then, which is the Stark food truck. But it's a tiny little table service restaurant, which is interesting.
It's quite well.
I forgot to film my Reuben sandwich. It's got pastrami and cheese and like sauerkraut and mayonnaise and some peppers in there as well. Mum's got the vegan one.
They're tiny.
Yeah, small. And then some iced tea, and this was €11. Hello, handsome man.
Hello, handsome girl.
Great. It's about the same as Hyperspace Mountain.
Would you say it's more tame?
There's more loops, I think.
No, there isn't.
There's more upside downs.
I didn't really notice the loops.
You can't really when you're in the dark, can you?
It's disconcerting, isn't it?
What, got the light eyes?
Yeah, not that you can see his eyes. You can't see his eyes.
Yeah, it's just literally just out front of the entrance.
Hello. This is the Magnum Creations from the booth that's just here. You get an up one, a mini one, and a Lion King, and they're all 3 different flavours of chocolates. I got the up one. All the coloured balls to be like the house, dark
Yeah, I
chocolate,
thought that was clever.
and the little house, and it's on both sides as well. Oh, see there. And they hand dip it in front of you as well. And that's €6, which is about £5 or just over, which is not bad. Ooh. It's chewy.
Okay, you gonna rate it or something?
Presentation, it's a 10 out of 10. For taste, I would say 7.5. It's tasty. It is just a Magnum, but I like the novelty of it. It's different. We've got a return time for web slingers, so we're going to do that after we've done a bit of shopping again, because Mummy now wants a lanyard.
Yeah, I suppose you could do. Do they have the lanyards in here though?
Don't know. I like these pens.
Yeah?
Yeah. Do you want something Lightning McQueen?
Over there.
Where's Lightning McQueen? That's... Oh, yeah, it is. With his Dynaco sponsorship. Oh, he doesn't say deputy properly. No, he's talking. Yeah, he said, "You're my favourite deputy." How funny is this top?
Won't fit me.
No, but look, the head is... I want a Buzz Lightyear.
You actually get the Lightyear version, yeah.
Can you? Where's the Lightyear version? Oh my god! Get both.
What's their biggest size?
Have you noticed they don't have as many ears in Disneyland Paris as they do World? I think it's because if you look around, not many people actually wear them in Paris. Web slingers. We're now going on web slingers.
Oh yeah, of course.
At 5 to 2 in the afternoon. Ready, Mum? Let's go.
I'm so excited for this Batman ride. Aren't I?
Just press it down, Josh.
It's on the top? Yeah.
Yeah.
I look so miserable. I'm not actually.
They won't turn off.
Just press it down.
Thanks to funding from Tony Stark, brilliant young minds here are creating cutting-edge tech. So today, you can sling webs like Spider-Man. And our host today has created his own real-time translation device to help you better enjoy the presentation. C'est comme si c'était fait. Allez, tous vers les slingers et on fera équipe pour empêcher les speeder boats de détruire le campus. Okay, we have a plan. Head to the slinger vehicles.
Miles. Glasses. We've come back in here because it's a great chill spot. We came to get Bee's waffle. She wanted a Darth Vader waffle. So we actually came out of Walt Disney Studios Park to get Bee's waffle, but then we decided to stay because we'll just do the rest of the rides when we go in a bit later. Mummy's had a rest. Blur's had a rest. We've had some yogurts. There's been some burgers. And I need a drink now.
Dinner time as well.
I need a drink. And then what should we do? Can we go see Alice's Labyrinth?
Yeah. It sounds like a nice, pleasant experience after eating burger and fries and yogurt.
Nice. Oh yeah, some air. Oh, that feels quite fast. That's actually, oh my god, it's quite high. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's actually quite scary. Are we going back down now?
Yeah, I think we are. Yeah.
That is a great 25-minute ride. Wait for that wasn't even a wait. I filmed the whole thing. That was 1 minute and 7 seconds. Ow. Enjoying Alice's Labyrinth.
It's nice and cool.
Are you supposed to be running around in here? Because the music makes it sound like you need to be like running. Look, the Cheshire Cat. Oh, it's hot. Why is everyone being so? A last look at Fantasyland before we go back to Walt Disney Studios. What's this? Oh, ducks.
Oh, you're getting distracted.
Hi, duckies.
Put a carousel inside of a bigger thing
Yeah,
to make it look bigger.
yeah. Because carousels are small. But it's one of the original rides ever at Disney, so you need to keep it. Also, look at that stained glass window.
Keep moving, keep moving.
What are we going on?
Tower of Terror.
Excited.
No, I hate this ride.
Why are you lying?
I just get scared every time.
Why?
Don't know.
Is that because you know how he's going to drop? like that though. I like the ones that just drop all the way down. You liked it, didn't you? I hope so. Right, makes me nervous.
Copper Canyon traffic maze. I've been there. Wow, tu as réussi à sortir du labyrinthe. It was amazing. We're driving into Catastrophe Canyon.
Oui, une merveille. Tout ce qu'il y a de moins naturel, secoué par des micro-séismes toutes les 5 minutes.
What? The canyon has an aftershock every few minutes?
Oui.
That's awesome.
All right, everybody. We're making a short scheduled stop here in the canyon. Please remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside the tram. Thanks.
Yeah. You want it? Yeah.
Wow. This canyon is so beautiful and calm. Seulement en apparence. Oui, la ville de Martin avait dévoilé sa dernière création. I've never seen this art.
Oh, Mater, you made your own Eiffel Tower? I love it.
Eiffel
Avec ma tour à fioul, c'est un petit bout de Paris qui est garé au bord de la
The Eiffel Tower. Far out. So great, we could all experience.
Ah, mes amis, c'est ainsi que se termine notre petite expédition sur la route 66.
It was amazing.
Et maintenant, profitez et faites un beau voyage sur la route de la vie.
Route 66 was so much fun. Now I just want us all to go back and read it, and repeat it.
À bientôt.
Bye, everybody.
Oh,
Take care.
They've rerouted it all. Because that's the building site.
That's cool that you can see the chimneys. Mummy, look, we're all wrapped on top of the chimneys.
We have to put our glasses on at the ride, don't we?
Yeah. Our last ride of the day is Crusher's Coaster, at about 8 PM. And we need to find some food and grab our spaces for the fireworks for the end of our Disney day. Stopped in for a Five Guys. Got a milkshake and a soda. Treat yourself. It's very busy. But the service has been really, really good for how quickly things have been coming out. And I didn't want to stop and film my food because I was starving. Bye Disney World, Disneyland Paris. We're going now. We are going now. That's the end of our 2 days at Disney. That was a stressful last 3 hours. That felt like bloody, what's it called, supermarket sweep. Running around everywhere.
The fireworks and what were they called? Illusions?
The illuminations and the D-Light. The drones were cool, weren't they?
The drones
were
amazing.
huge.
Definitely worth going to see that for the drones.
What do you think of the drones?
I thought they were really cool. I've never seen a drone show.
The drone was quite impressive actually. No, they didn't go.
Yeah.
It was
Neil-
kind of AI.
Neil didn't believe that it was drones.
It was drones. They were huge though. I knew that they were there and I'd seen pictures, but I didn't know they were that big. That was amazing. And that's it. Mummy's done all her shopping.
Yeah. I shopped till I dropped.
Bee's got the things that she wants. Josh and I are full of burger and chips. Neil's not got any money left. It's great.
Neil's skin.
So, holiday success. Our feet hurt, we're tired.
Oh, that
It
was
destroyed me
that girl
physically,
dressed up as,
mentally, emotionally, and
Woody
financially.
Jessie. She's dressed up as Jessie.
Yeah, I like that little dressy dress.
Not canonical though.
Oh my god. Beat.
I got my poster.
Look at that. Bye. You got her.
I got myself my Endor poster.
Nice.
And my dad's carrying some figurines. Kylo Ren's in there though, so I'm sad.
So you're going to take him out and throw him in the bin?
I'm setting the doll on fire. Oh yeah.
I've chosen such a bad angle to do this at, but we all got a chin. We're going to pop to the World of Disney one more time to go and get some nice pretty 30th anniversary wine glasses, and then we're going to go home. And that'll be it. The water smell. We need to get a candle that smells like the fresh water from Pirates. Do you like it? Wonder how many things get smashed today. So these were the other ones I was talking about. Do you prefer? We prefer the other ones, yeah?
Yeah, because that's...
I think that's it. That's all for family Disney holiday trip. Weekend Disneyland Paris holiday family Disney trip.
Join us in a couple of weeks where we're visiting Portaventura.
Yeah! vlogs will probably be 10 years apart. But yes. Do your Mickey Mouse impression to end the day, the vlog.
Goodbye, folks. That's what you meant.
Again.
Goodbye, folks.
Yeah, great.